As promised, in this video, we're going to program the robot. Those who might have missed our first part, please, you may refer to the previous video, or you may just look for it for Ciros robot configuration. Okay, so now I want to bring close my model so that I can be able to program it. We have the joints here, and then we have the Cartesian coordinates. So now we want to take a product at this point. First, we want to recognize our home position. This is our home position, okay? And then let's put it in as a position. Go to your position here, right click, insert this. This is going to be your home position. It says P1. From my PLC programming, we tend to like using P0. P0 will be our home position. You can keep caps lock on, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then now let's go to a certain position, a position whereby you'll be picking up the product. Let's pick up the product. The product will be positioned over there. You can rotate until you are satisfied. You can see it from the angle. So this is where your product is going to be. Okay. And then to make your life simpler, just go down first and see if this is aligned. You can just come closer so that you can see what I'm talking about. So go down. It's going further. You can see with the shadow there. Let's come down. Now it went even further than this. So now you can see that this is not well aligned. Okay. So before you can come closer, I want to rotate the the wrist. Come to coordinates, and then let's roll it this way. Right, I like it like this. So now I want to use, which axis should I use? Let's come whereby we are able to see which one should I use. This one, right? Okay, and then let's see where we've landed. Okay, we haven't yet touched the section we want. Let's see if we are touching are we touching any metal? We are seeing some space there. If you see light through, it means we are safe for now. Now let's see. Okay, let's ask ourselves, how can we get there? Let's try it with this way. This way it goes there. Okay, this way. Aha. This way seems to be sitting properly. This way seems to be sitting properly where we want it, but it seems to be, is it touching any metal? No, it's not. Let's see through, rotate, see through. Yes, it's not touching any metal. It's not touching any metal. Come closer to this point. Nope. Take it down. No, with this one. There, it is touching. So now, when it's touching, come to coordinates. Let's look for one that can just push it forward. Look at the arrows. I honestly don't like these arrows. They're not clear. And they're not always appearing. I don't know why. Let's put it on the side. Okay, let's see. Nope. Okay. Let's take it up once. How's that? Again. Okay, these angles, they give you a little bit of, they are more accurate than the other coordinates. Okay, let's go up like this. All right, I think it's safer like this, but going forward would be much better than this. Nope, go back. Every time you move something, you must take it back. Waste. I want that. Okay, let's see now. Nope. Hey. Okay. Right. It's not well aligned, but it's much better than, yeah. So imagine this is our position where we're gonna pick the where we're going to pick our product. Okay. So we're going to save this position. The more you do this, the more you get used to it. Don't stress. So now we are picking the product. So we're going to go to properties and pick. This is a picking position. This is pick position, yeah? Okay. And then, so we are picking here. Let's go to the placing. So you pick up a product, you place it there. Pick the product, and you must place it here, right? So we want to place it there. So let's see. Go up first, and then come this side. Nope, that side. Okay, and then okay, rotate this. This, nope. Mm, this one. Let's see, where are we? Bring this. No, this one is fine. Bring this like this. Take it down, rotate it, bring it this side, rotate it again. Now it's much better. From here, you can see that this is not well aligned. It just needs this. No, waste. Yes. Now this is perfect. So rotate until you see. Okay, I want to push it backwards so that, right. Then come straight, straight. Nope, with this one. Uh, Send it down. It doesn't want to move properly, but it's okay. I do see what I want to see. Let's go back. Where am I? It's easy to get lost here. Let's go on the side. Let's go like this. Back. Ah, we're back in the same position, but nevertheless, we can see that we are almost aligned. Just an inch, just a millimeter out, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so let's save this coordinate and then we'll take it from there. So this is going to be our P2 inside position. All right, and then from here, I want us to start writing a code. So where do we write the code? We write the code here. First thing first you need to do is to override the speed, and the preferred speed is 20. And then after here, you go to P1. Okay, P1, you move to P1, but it's P1 negative, in fact, negative 40. So this 40 is intended for you to avoid obstacles. So you're avoiding obstacles. So now I want to teach you stuff early. So this is where we start our code, and then now we I'm not sure if we can use this. We tune. You look at okay. We tune the speed. Tune speed. Yeah. Okay, and then tap. Yeah. Okay. So we start the code. We tune the speed, and then depending where is it positioned. Okay, so we're going to pick up, and then now I want you to really pick the product. So you're going to the position where you need to pick up the product now. So now you no longer you are pick product, né? Product. So this one it's going to be MSV. It's a linear movement, so it's straight downward. So this one, it goes following certain curves. So here we are sure that definitely we are picking up the product. Even though we haven't commanded the gripper, which we just want to test if we really can be able to go to this position. Okay. And then we can maybe go to home position. From there, move to home position, copy and paste this one. You can just copy it as a whole. Move to home position, which is 0. Okay. Then now let's compile this project. Compile all, yes. There are no errors so far with the compilation. They say there is one here. One failed. One error. And the error is on the syntax. Probably this MSV. I need to confirm it. It's a linear motion, this one. Just a second. MVS. Syntax, yeah. It's not part of the syntax. Clever. So you must read all these errors. They'll tell you. So one project successful and 0 failed, skip, nothing has been skipped, everything is fine. You see now? So now let's make this one go away for now, and this one go away for now because we don't need to teach anything. And then this one go away for now, and that go away for now. Let's unlatch this. Right. So let's now try to get the correct position. Correct position would be the front position. Okay. And let's start the program. All right, then it goes to home position just like that. Repeat again. I prefer to repeat it. To repeat it, you're gonna say go to start. So it's gonna do this over and over. Programming project manager and compile all. Yes, and run. You see that? So it's always taking it again, 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 again. Sharp. So let's stop. Right. So now we need to make sure that the gripper is closed whenever we go to the home position after arriving to the home position. So the gripper should be closed. So this is how we are closing the gripper, and we're going to say close gripper. Okay. And then now we're sure that we're able to go to that position. So it's something that you need to be careful of. Uh, the speed is a bit too much for me to analyze. So this is to stay clear. Avoid obstacles is very important because if you can notice something, if we go P1, on a straight line, so you're going deeper onto the position. So you need to go to the position and then you stay clear, negative 40, then you go down, you dip in now after that. So with P1, you are going down and pick up your product. So you need to go there, you are there on the, and you stayed clear, okay? And then after that, I want you to, I want you to then now open your, I want you to open your gripper before you go down actually. Here, you open it. Open. You need to appreciate one thing about this gripper. Uh, you need to appreciate one thing about opening the gripper. You need to delay it. You need to delay the gripper.